Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to enable turn on torchlight using volume down button in Vivo V23 smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, enter into the settings. Now we need to choose shortcuts and accessibility. Now we choose quick action from here. Now we need to enable that. You can set it into the turn on or turn off torchlight. You can change the settings also. Now I will check. I will press and hold the volume down button. So it's working on only on the lock screen mode. You can see when you press and hold the volume down button, the flashlight is enabled, and again you can press, the flashlight is disabled. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.